Hi. Now that you're a part of the NuCalm family, let's walk through how easy it is to use our product. First things first, have you ever downloaded an app from the App Store or the Google Play Store? Yes. Okay. Have you ever listened to something with headphones? Yes. Okay. Have you ever worn an eye mask? Yes. Okay. And have you ever listened to something with a speaker? Yes. Those are the elements of NuCalm. Now on the mobile app, you'll see 8 products and they are color coded. Let's go through what they mean and what they mean for you. The blue colors, Rescue and PowerNap, are designed for recovery and regulating your nervous system, slowing your brainwave frequency down to 4 hertz, which is the healing zone, which is a beautiful place to be. And you want to spend time there every single day. So sometime in the afternoon, find yourself a safe, comfortable place, lay down, put an eye mask on in your headphones, and press start on Rescue or PowerNap. Flow state is a lighter blue, and flow state takes you to the intersection of alpha and theta, a frequency of 7.83 hertz, also known as the Schumann resonance and the Earth's magnetic rotation. So for those of you who are into grounding, when you put your bare feet on the earth, you're picking up 7.83 hertz. Well, we can do that through physics through your ears. Eye mask, headphone, lay down, and we slow your brainwave frequency down to 7.83 hertz. Now let's amplify. Let's change gears. Focus the green color with just a headphone while you're working, while you're doing emails, while you're looking at important documents, while you're doing house chores, while you're walking around the neighborhood. Whenever you want mental focus, you put focus on and you press start. And we take you to 18.4 hertz, where your brain will have no distractions and you didn't have to do anything. Now we elevate in orange to priming. Priming with just a headphone, you will listen to 40 hertz, which elevates your consciousness and your mental acuity, your ability to learn. Okay? But this is where we host our world-class collaborations. We have collaborations with people with exceptional wisdom and experience in certain areas of human life. We have Tony Robbins, Jim Quick, Roger Love, Madison Amico Love, Mark Victor Hansen, Dr. Neil Bulchandani. What we've done is created a permeable brain state that allows you to learn. Every word will imprint inside your head. Unlike when we're listening to something and we get distracted, the words just go in one ear and out the other. Not when you're listening to the priming 40 hertz physics. So that is a way to start your day. Wake up with Jim Quick, priming with Tony Robbins, money mindset with Mark Victor Hansen, phase shift with Dr. Neil Bulchandani, or voice coaching with Roger Love or Madison Amico Love. Lastly, in the red category, we have Ignite. Ignite, we created in 2017. And for more than 4 years, only elite military operators and professional athletes had access to this technology. It elevates your brainwave frequency to 41 hertz. It takes us 9 minutes to do this. And the last 3 minutes of every Ignite program, we call Pure Warrior Brain. You are fully activated. Your olfactory, your peripheral vision, your gross motor cortex, everything about you is in a state of absolute certainty, and you won't make any mistakes. It is amazing. Just with a headphone on, pre-workout, during a workout, heading to a meeting, listen to Ignite. Then lastly, in the purple and the dark, dark blue hue is DeepestSleep and DeepestSleep Plus. This is the only product that does not require a headphone, just a speaker. So in the comfort of your bedroom with a speaker, you select any DeepestSleep or DeepestSleep Plus program, press start, and the physics puts you to sleep. It's hard to articulate how good you're going to feel when you're actually sleeping really well every night. It's cumulative. You'll begin dreaming again. But more importantly, throughout the day, you'll have an endurance you're not used to. You won't be easily fatigued. You won't be easily agitated and impatient. You're going to flow through your day with ease, confidence, clarity, a sense of calmness. It's amazing. And all that is the benefit of restorative sleep. So NuCalm in one mobile app. We have 8 programs or outcomes. They're color coded. Each of them takes you to a specific brainwave frequency with a specific behavior associated. And we have the stress test. In just 35 seconds of a voice recording on your mobile device, we capture over 1 million data points, specifically targeting over 10,000 biometrics related to your autonomic nervous system. After 35 seconds, you get a score back between 0 and 100, and that score we call a coherence score. The higher, the better, and the higher the score, the healthier your nervous system is. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the future. We've brought patented, clinically proven neuroscience, 36 years worth, put it into a mobile app to make this accessible, affordable, and easy for people across the entire globe not to feel stress every day and to sleep like a baby. And that combination will balance your nervous system, and a balanced nervous system will change your life.